My name is SUHARA. I am from Sri Lanka. I am married. I am 31 years old. I am Sinhalese. My religion is Roman Catholic, and also I already passed the GC O level in Sri Lanka. I mean, ordinary level, and also I have extra activities. I am in the school volleyball team and the school cricket team, and extra I already followed the computer course at Tech Sri Lanka 1.5 year, and also I have a working experience. 1.5 year I already worked at the storekeeper is the SD Logistic in Sri Lanka, and also I have working experience is sales executive is the Gayuki Holdings 2 years, and also I already worked at the Singapore 1.5 year as a kitchen helper, and I'm still working in the Ansel Textiles garment. My position is the printing machine operator. So thank you.